If you've been searching for a non-toxic wood stain, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you an easy DIY method to create your own wood stain in a variety of beautiful colors without the harsh chemicals. Not only is this a budget-friendly alternative to store-bought stains, it's also perfect for all your DIY projects. So let's grab these supplies and get started. We're going to mix 2 teaspoons of water to 1 teaspoon of acrylic paint to create this watery stain. If you're working on a larger project, simply scale up the recipe. Just remember it's always 2 parts water to 1 part acrylic paint. Mix everything together really well, making sure the water and acrylic paint are fully combined. You'll notice it has a thin, watery consistency. That means it's ready to use on our DIY projects. The next step is to take a squirt bottle filled with water and lightly mist the wood. This helps the stain soak in more evenly and prevents any blotchy spots. You don't want to oversaturate it, just a light mist is going to do the trick. If you're working with a softer wood like pine, this step is especially helpful because it allows for a more even finish. If you're using a harder wood, you may not need to use as much water. I'm applying the stain with a sponge, making sure to cover that entire piece of wood. Once it's fully coated and still wet, grab a cloth or a paper towel and gently wipe away that excess stain. You'll see how the wood grain really pops, and just like that, we've created a beautiful non-toxic stain for our project. What I love most about this method is how versatile it is. You can create so many different colors without the need to buy expensive pre-made stains. It's such an affordable way to give your projects a gorgeous custom finish. I'm now applying the stain in different colors to the pieces of pine, and you can really see how well it works. It soaks into the wood beautifully, just like a traditional stain, while allowing the wood grain to shine through. Whether you're using light or dark shades, the result is always gorgeous, and you get that natural wood look without the harsh chemicals. Plus, the beauty of this method is that you can adjust the intensity of the stain just by adding more or less paint, so you can get that perfect shade for every project. And you can also double up and put on 2 coats if you're wanting something that's a little bit darker. Now I'm applying a brown stain to show you how you can easily adjust the color if it's not as dark as you want. The first layer came out pretty light, so I deepened it, and I simply added a little more acrylic paint to that water to thicken the mixture. With that extra paint, I got a much darker, richer stain, and just like that, you can easily customize that depth of your color. Now that we've finished staining, take a look at how beautifully each color turned out. You can really see how the wood grain pops, and this DIY method lets you create that perfect color for any project, all without spending a lot of money. I hope you enjoyed this non-toxic way to stain wood with acrylic paint. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. And if you love this video, I'm sure you're going to love either of these next two. Take care.